Yeah. Yeah. Bana ba mafifi. Akena kamera Audi ari clip. Abakena mashiu ka di 16. Aroba tla karata for the drinks. Kare tshwara mara ke batla selipi. O tla itshwara khotsa o batla bibi ya tshipi. Keng a sa jola le mahipi. Nka o fa mara o nkare nka se fiti. Ale sale bana ba le ba machicha ke le di chipi. Mara le chipi. Keng o sa eketsa o kara o itsore ke bloma le bo trixin twana bra chicks. You probably doing it every day of the week. I can tell by the look on your lips. You used to it, you got them SMDs. You like it rough, you wanna break stuff. I gotta get you off the pedestal, I put you on. I gotta get you off the pedestal, I put you on. My goons are getting lifted. She dancing on my lap, I got a girl, but she wanna be my mistress. You been on my hit list for way too long for me to skip it. I don't miss when I swing, but I hope I'm big enough to fuck with. I didn't know you were religious until you started praying on my dick. Slow dance, both hands, get it gripped. 9mm rounds, reload the clip, yeah. She ain't seen a bed in a minute. Probably gets a new bay every minute. She be thinking out of cave, you getting night creepy, so every night you party. She ain't seen a bed in a minute. Probably gets a new bay every minute. She be thinking out of cave, you getting night creep, so every night you party. Yeah, I think I like the hit you gave me, not your head. I heard you got better by popping 5 a day. You move better when your body's soaked in gin. You do things with your teeth, they make mine clench. Both fists bottle up and so I trip. I almost slipped, yeah. Soft walls keep closing in, I keep digging in. You gasping for breath, but it's just you and me. If it was two of me, fire emojis. She dancing on it like it's time critical. Pads on my back, but I kept my efforts to a minimum. Looking like she's about to perform a ritual. Cause I'm a different individual. She's flexible, but not expendable. She does it to survive, professional. Triple X original. She made all the flat ass hoes feeling comfortable. She can still stand. On the other hand, I'm sinking in quicksand. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't be calling women hoes. I can't put a price on good pussy, no. That's why I've been cracking it like it's a code. I did it as I said I would, like I was speaking under oath. Yeah, if you guess what's in my hand, then you can keep it. She said, if it fits in one hand, then you can keep it. She looked at it, it got up telekinetic. She a 21st century kid of the whip. She ain't seen a bed in a minute. Probably gets a new bed every minute. She be thinking out of cave, you getting night creep, so every night you party. She ain't seen a bed in a minute. Probably gets a new bed every minute. She be thinking out of cave, you getting night creep, so every night you party.